Do you like to spend your beach day without too many complications, maybe to save a little money? If you're wondering if Platys Gialos offers a free beach area, we have the answer for you. It's important to know that Platys Gialos Beach is predominantly occupied by beach clubs and paid sunbeds. The space for the free beach is extremely limited. You'll find it in a small corner to the side, right up against the rocks. If you are looking for a completely wild and free beach experience, you might be a little disappointed here. So, if you want to lay down your towel and enjoy that public space, our best advice is to arrive early in the morning or to choose another beach entirely for a more open experience.